And so with that in mind, why don't we take a few moments to step into some quiet time together, and I will invite this bell, this bowl, which is in the same frequency as the Ajna chakra, the third eye, promoting our spiritual awareness, our consciousness, and our imagination. And so if you're comfortable, close your eyes. And if that's not comfortable, we'll find a spot on the ground or the chair in front of you, or if you're joining us online in the room you're in, to soften your gaze. Just allow yourself to be breathed in this moment. And as you breathe, I invite you to feel that breath moving in into your heart space, into your solar plexus, your wisdom. Feel the warmth of each breath. And now with your next breath in, I invite you to breathe in the feeling of gratitude. So find something in your life right now that you could be grateful for. And maybe it's just this moment, maybe it's the person next to you. And as you hold that idea of gratitude and that feeling of gratitude, just allow that to expand into all parts of your body. Feel that energy. You can think of it as starting from the top of your head and just moving down through your body, that joy, that feeling of appreciation. And you can think of each breath as fueling that flame. Each breath, each moment of gratitude. And if you imagine within you this Christ light, this beautiful light of life and enthusiasm moving through all parts of your body, lighting up, radiating through your hands, your voice, how you move in the world. See if you can imagine yourself moving through the world in this flow, this place of gratitude, this place of enthusiasm for life. There's a calm, peaceful pace to how you do things. There's a smile that radiates from your face. And so you can feel this energy moving outward. You can see it touching the path that you're walking. You can see it in your relationships, and you can see it in your community. This flame is steady, it's calm, it's eternal. And so I invite you to quietly repeat these words to yourself. I am one with the flow of spirit. My inner flame is steady and strong. I pause, breathe, and flow as a living light of love. And you can sit quietly in this place for as long as you'd like. Just allow yourself whatever time you need to come back to this space. Namaste.